Question number 26 asks the question, graph the equation x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. The first thing we have to recognize is that this is an equation of a circle. If it were a parabola, then the y term would not be squared. So because the x term is squared and the y term is squared, that means this must be an equation of a circle. Let's be reminded of what is the standard form of a circle. It is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to radius squared. And let's look at the equation they gave us and figure out what our values are. So in this case, the h value, remember you flip the sign of h and k when you're dealing with the equation of a circle. So in this case, the h value must be -1, and the k value must be +2. So h value is -1 because we flip the sign when we take h out, and the k value is +2 because we flip the sign when we take the k value out. And we know the center of the circle is going to be at h, k, so we know the center of this circle is going to be at -1 and +2. Let's go ahead and graph that now. -1 on the x-axis, +2 on the y-axis. There is the center of our circle. Now all we have to find is the radius. The radius is found right here on the equation. So we know that r squared is going to be equal to 25. And to get r by itself, we're going to square root both sides. And we end up with the r value being equal to the square root of 25, which is just 5. So our radius is 5. Starting from the center of our circle, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now all we have to do is connect all those points together to form our circle. Go ahead and see how accurate we can get on that. Looks pretty good. And there is the graph of the equation x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25.